Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. What is up? It's currently like 8 something in the morning and I am going to go get my hair done today and I'm really excited. I have not gotten my hair done in so long. My roots are so disgustingly grown out and I'm getting my hair done with Amanda Black and I'm really excited. I will link all of her stuff down below. I'm doing like a shadow root and like ashy blonde hair, so I'm gonna look A1. I'm so excited, but I just figured I would vlog the whole entire experience and I'm really excited to do that because I've never done really anything like that. Sorry the lighting is so terrible and my hair is up, but I'm getting my hair done, so I didn't really feel like doing it. But yeah, so today you're gonna come along with the ride. Yeah, that's about it. Woo! All my friends say I started shooting doubles when you walked in. This is my hair. We're fully blue. Did I tell you I was going blue? Because I'm going blue apparently. Just kidding. It's just bleach. But like, blue hair would be cute, right? I like it. Hello! Okay, this is Amanda. She just did my hair. And I'm like literally I've never looked so much, like my hair's never looked better.
Pretty blonde, it's so cute.
Okay, so explain how you get this.
So we just bleached the heck out of it because you had she had some blondes but they were off tone a little bit, so we bleached it a little bit more and we threw in a 10A color instead of toner to let it sit longer.
See, she's smart. She uses color instead of toner. So I don't have to come back as often.
I know. 2 months out, girl. 2 months out.
2 months out. But like, it's perfect and the beach waves are perfect and I'll put in some before and afters so you can actually tell. But I'm blonde and it doesn't look like ramen noodle hair anymore.
No ramen noodle hair.
No ramen noodle hair, no
like a melt.
Hair.
We left her, put your head down a little bit.
Yeah.
We left her root a little bit grown out so that she had a shadowed situation going on to make the regrowth not as apparent.
Exactly.
Like it's meant to be.
Yeah, it was purposely there. I'm a natural blonde. That's what we dyed.
Yes. Anyways, it was super fun and I love her.
This has been the best time. We've had many a great talks.
So call me.
Yes, I'm gonna link everything down in the description below. I'm gonna put her Instagram and all of that good stuff. So if you live in Arizona, you're coming here.
Check me out, guys. Check me out.
She has great prices. So like, really, like, come here. Screw Habit Salon.
Oh my gosh,
Hair by
so
Chrissy.
freaking expensive. So freaking expensive. It's all about Hello Casual Beauty.
Hello Casual Beauty.
Right?
You heard it here first. Okay, well thank you so much for doing my hair.
It's so
I feel
cute.
so good. Okay.
Good. Bye guys.
Bye.
Show up in the video everywhere.
Hello.
Don't worry about us. Bloopers.
Perfect. See, she'll even fix you when you look like a Smurf.